My Network is where you can manage your locations and devices. The information set up here will be applied to all of your applications in Miovision One. If you have not yet created your intersection, please watch the Miovision One intersection creation video prior to continuing. To add devices connected through the SmartLink or Miovision Core to your intersection, select Devices from the left-hand side. This will show you a list of all of your locations. Next, select your intersection from the drop-down. This will then show you a list of all of the devices that have been connected to this intersection. To add a new device, click Add Device on the right-hand side and choose your device from the drop-down list. Enter any required information for the device and then click Save Device. This will then add your device to the intersection list. Continue this process until all of your devices are added. You can remotely access your controller through Miovision One. From the Devices tab, click the three dots next to your controller and click Connect. Now you can remote into your controller right from your office. If you have an MMU connected, you can connect to it by clicking the three dots on the right and clicking Connect. If you have not yet installed the Remote Access Client, you will be prompted to install. Once connected, you can view the status by clicking on the three dots on the right side and clicking View Status. This lets you see the current voltages at the intersection. If you would like to see the historical information, return to the Devices tab, click on the three dots and select View Logs. This will give you a list of faults logged on the device. Files can also be added to your intersections for quick reference. To do this, simply click on the File Storage tab on the left-hand side. Then click Upload Files. This can be useful for storing files such as engineering design documents, construction schedules, and timing plans.